As a matter of fact, no. Let me give you Mike's direct line. You ready for it? All the folks out there who needs criminal defense.
Oh, yes, that's correct.
I am going to give you Mike Albiniakowicz, the criminal defense attorney, his direct line. Listen carefully. For immigration right now, call 1-800-522. 522.
This is for immigration.
Yeah, this is for immigration. 522-0804. All right, and you can get an $80 consultation. We're trying to save people as much money as possible, as long as Mr. Bernstein can allow that. All right, 1-800-0804.
That's immigration.
That's immigration. Now you ready for the criminal defense attorney? This guy is good too. All right.
Yes.
All right. 1-800.
1-800.
377.
377.
2981.
This is Michael Minneapolis, right?
There you go. You said it right too. Yeah, wonderful. There you go. That's the big time criminal defense attorney, former assistant. Yes, call him right now. Right now. All right.
Thank you very much, Squeeze, and thank you so much, Brad. I'll definitely call him now.
All right, no problem. Okay, once again, for all the folks out there calling to set up your immigration appointments, do not pay $120. Pay $80. And if you call this number right now, I can prove it to you that you will only pay $80 for the consultation to see Brad Bernstein, Mariana, Nancy Power, all these great attorneys at Spar & Bernstein. The number is 1-800-522-0804. That's 1-800-522-0804. Call Spar & Bernstein right now. Set up that appointment to see Brad Bernstein. He's going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be, ladies and gentlemen, all these great attorneys are going to be here. So make sure you call. And listen. A lot of you have got warrants and stuff out there that you don't even know about. Maybe you think because you jumped the turnstile, there's no warrant.
Perhaps there is.
You know? Perhaps there is.
Perhaps.
You never know. Disorderly conduct here or there, you think there's no warrant.
Right. Meanwhile, you know what happens around now?
What?
It's about 6 weeks after April 15th. It's when you start getting your letters that you're delinquent in taxes.
Oh,
or your taxes are all screwed up.
Yeah.
Or you owe taxes.
And you
or your first payment on your payment plan is now coming due.
Yep.
So what you can do is
Thanks for reminding me, man.
Right, thank you. So if you have these tax issues, we at Spar & Bernstein have a tax debt relief department.
Great department.
Okay. So what we do is, and it's and there's no hanky panky with this. I mean, it's straightforward.
No,
the law Congress has allowed us to do this.
Take care of your back taxes.
And what we do is, if we can demonstrate to the U.S. government that you can't afford to pay your taxes, the U.S. government's not going to offer this to you. Okay? It's only going to come through us. If we can, or it's somebody else who does this type of work, but we do it very good, is we can go to the U.S. government and say, U.S. government, hi, how are you? This guy, look at what this guy earns, or look at what this young lady earns. This person can barely afford to pay their rent because this is their rent bill. This is their electric bill. This is their car payment. They don't have money to pay any taxes.
Right. They can't
where do you think you're going to get this money from?
Right.
Okay? And then what they will do is we will negotiate with them. And in many cases, we've taken tax debts that are $7, $8, $9, $10, $20,000 and reduced it to $20. So, and you have nothing to lose by giving us a call, because that consultation is free. So what we are going to do is in our tax debt department is we're going to review all of your tax issues, all of your net earnings, what you earn, what you owe, what you own, because a lot of it also depends on what you own.
Right.
Okay. And if it turns out that you fall into this class of people that we can help, we will help you and we will save you money. Because whatever you pay Spar & Bernstein, you will pay Spar & Bernstein the substantially less money than you would pay the U.S. government.
Absolutely true. And once again, folks, we're talking about Sean Shee, attorney at law, who works for Spar & Bernstein, Mr. Bernstein here. This guy, we moved him from California to New York because we understood that the Caribbean community and more needed a good tax debt attorney. A lot of us are scared to speak with the United States government. Well, guess what? You don't have to. Sean Shee will do it all for you right here. He will represent you. If you owe the IRS back taxes and would like to slash that significantly, call this number right now, 1-800-377-2981. That's 1-800-377-2981. That's 1-800-377-2981. But everybody who would like to see Brad Bernstein for only $80 has a consultation fee right now. Get ready. because I don't know how long this is going to last. It's 1-800-522-0804. That's 1-800-522-0804. 1-800-522-0804. Let's go to this line you've been holding for a little bit. Hello there.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. A couple of years ago, I was coming up on somebody's visa that I was turned back at the airport. And now I'm back. I'm here now again. Why don't you know if I get married in a waiver for that?
Well, if you were stopped and you were sent home, you had a 5-year summary exclusion. So the first thing you got to say is, if I came back within the first 5 years without getting permission from the Immigration Service, you have now re-entered the United States after a prior order of exclusion or deportation or whatever word you want to use. Any way you look at it is you were sent home. If you come back within 5 years of a summary exclusion, you have re-entered after a prior order of removal without permission from the Immigration Service. That is now a crime. Okay? Not a civil offense, a crime.
Really?
So now if you go to the Immigration Service, say, hey, I'm here. I got sent home in 2005, and you came back in 2006, you have now admitted to the government that you've committed a crime, which could be up to 3 years in prison.
What should he do?
He needs to come meet with me, and we can discuss when he came back, what document he came back on,
Right.
and whether he's eligible to adjust or not, and if he is eligible to adjust, whether or not there are waivers for him.
Okay.
But certainly, it's nothing you should even consider doing by yourself, if at all. I may tell you, and I have that ability to tell you because there is an attorney-client confidentiality when you come
Right.
in and tell me something. I may tell you, don't do anything.
Right.
You're only going to get yourself in worse position.
In other words, come in and find out exactly what and can be done and what shouldn't be done and all of that. All right? It's going to be the best $80 you spend, and it's not even $120. Come and sit down with Brad. Brad will break everything down to you as he does with all of my friends. Okay, brother?
Okay, then, thanks.
All right, no problem. Now, I know a lot of folks out there, they're in such situations. Don't worry. Come into Spar & Bernstein, 225 Broadway, and speak with them, ladies and gentlemen. Let me give you the number to call right now to set up your appointments to see Brad Bernstein. We're going to take one more question. The number is 1-800-522-0804. Everyone that's out there. Now, it doesn't matter where you are. You may not be able to physically make it into the office. Brad handles phone consultation. As a matter of fact, he's even setting up video conferencing consultation. Seeing that everyone is on iChat, everyone is on Skype, hey, technology, we've got it right here. But right now, he does phone consultations, in-person consultations, and the number, once again, if you only want to pay $80, only if you want to pay $80, you got to call this number right now, 1-800-522-0804. Text that to your friends, 1-800-522-0804. Make that call right this second. Okay, let's go to another call right now. Hello, caller. How are you?
Good day, Brad.
Hey, what's up?
Good day, Squeeze. How are you guys doing?
We're doing
wonderful.
well.
Good afternoon, man.
All right, I have a quick question. It's like, I want to do my citizenship, right? But I got 2 speeding tickets. I want to know if it's going to affect my citizenship.
Well, were you going 90 miles an hour over the speed limit, or was it 10 or 15 miles an hour over the speed limit?
It was like about 31 over the speed limit.
And what was it reduced to, if any, if at all?
No, I didn't went to court as yet.
Okay. Do you have a lawyer to go to court with you?
Yeah.
Okay. As long as it gets taken down to a traffic violation, you're fine.
Okay.
All right.
So, all right, when I'm ready to be with my citizenship, I'm coming to see you.
Okay. You come see me. They can't deny you. They can only deny you for being a person of bad moral character. They cannot deny you because you're not a good driver. Remember that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, but a certain
Thanks very
speed,
much,
certain speed over the speed limit, you're right, can be
Correct.
considered reckless driving.
Correct. That's why I said right.
Right. See,
Right.
I'm learning my stuff.
That's
from
right.
you, man.
That's right.
All right, brother. All right.
All right, bless up, Squeeze.
Manners and respect, and we say plush. Cool.